Welcome to this video about cryptocurrency education. Today a quick update video because the news that I've got here for you, they just show that mass adoption is happening, crypto mass adoption. These news here are for Bitcoin, but generally for the cryptocurrency space, and they mean something very, very positive. So apparently this company here, Hive Blockchain Technologies, they are a mining company, I believe just Bitcoin, and they have now got approval that they can list their shares on the NASDAQ stock exchange. And they are currently listed on the TSX, which is the Toronto Stock Exchange, which is a big thing as well. I didn't know about this, but apparently now they have gained approval to list them on the NASDAQ, which is the one of the world's main technology index, basically technology stock marketplaces. So companies like Microsoft, Facebook, they have listed their stocks on the NASDAQ 100, and it is just an amazing news. They have just come out, these news, and it just means that, again, mass adoption is happening. So this is something big. Again, you don't really hear about this in the mainstream media, whereas you hear all sort of other rubbish in the mainstream media, not things like that. And that is probably due to the current environment. It's all a bit bearish at the moment, even though on a high level, I believe we are still in a bull market. And with all these exciting news coming out, it just shows that fundamentally there is just so much happening, so much which maybe, a couple of years ago, this would have really lifted the Bitcoin price and the price of other cryptocurrencies to the moon. And another exciting thing is, which is very important in today's time, is that one thing is that they seem to have adopted a hodl mentality. So whatever they are mining, they're actually holding at the moment since 2021. And also another very important news is, I don't know if I find it at the moment, but they basically work on their, they have a green energy, you could say, policy. So they are working on using most or all of the energy they use for mining, try to get it done from green or this is what it says. That bridges the firm's data centers in Canada, Sweden and Iceland are all green energy powered facilities for mining Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on the cloud. And what that actually means, and this is my view as well with Bitcoin. I mean, you hear all these news, and also what Tesla announced, that Bitcoin mining just takes too much energy. Now, on one hand, that is true. It uses a lot of energy, but then there is so much free energy out there which we're just not using. So basically, green energy should really be free energy. The sun is there, water is there. We just need to use it. In my point of view, it's something completely different. I have the view that, just leave the regulators, just don't regulate the market in terms of energy usage and everything. Just let the market do its thing. Because what will eventually happen is all of these mining companies, they will try to, obviously, to make it more profitable for them, they will try to use free energy, which is renewable energies. They will try to use the cheapest energy. And the cheapest energy is, or should at least be, green energy, because it's just out there. It doesn't need to be produced in that sense. The sun is there. It just needs to be used. So, of course, it costs something, but it should really be cheaper than a nuclear power station or something. So if we just let the market do its thing, over the time, this development and the mining, it will actually push the development of further green energies. I hope that makes sense, because in my opinion, if companies and people are striving to do the mining more profitable, they will push for the development of further green energies and the mass adoption of green energy, which is still not there. So I believe actually it is a good thing that Bitcoin uses energy. Might be a bit controversial, but on the other hand, money printing and everything and the whole banking system, they use a lot of energy as well. So also with that energy and that mining of Bitcoin, you get a very secure system, a very safe system. The whole blockchain is very safe. The whole algorithm, it's never been hacked, and it is something very safe. So isn't that something where it's worth to put energy into, as we put energy into gold mining as well, for example? So nobody compares that, Gold mining, is that really necessary? We still do it. So why isn't Bitcoin mining necessary as well? So I suppose it's different perspectives, and the good thing here is that their data centers are using green energy, which I believe is where everything is moving towards. So there's very exciting news. It just gives institutional investors even more possibilities to invest in Bitcoin, because they can now invest into this company. They can do now in Toronto, but I believe the NASDAQ is a whole different level. And yeah, you now have Coinbase, then you have a company like that. So you have Coinbase, an exchange, then you have a mining company, then you have all these exchange traded products coming out. So there is so much now that you can use to actually invest in Bitcoin, which isn't just limited to buying Bitcoin on an exchange. And that is very exciting. It just shows the adoption is happening, and I think we're heading into a very, very good crypto summer. All right, so hopefully that video was useful. Hope you liked it. If you did, then please smash the like button and start to subscribe to the channel if you want more content like this. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.